We worked on a project last year in Columbus. Columbus North High School was the name of the project. They actually took an older high school building and completely remodeled it and turned it into a middle school. It's through Columbus City Schools. It was built in 1923, and our part of the project was a complete masonry facade restoration.
We're at Columbus North High School today, now known as Dominion Middle School. We recently completed a project here in the last few months. This was a project that we're really proud of at BCR. This was not a typical design bid build project. This was more of a design build. We submitted a couple different budgets, GMPs, before we were able to get to the project, but that adds another layer of complexity to this project, which really makes it more proud to be able to be complete and finish a project like this.
One of the unique challenges about this particular project was we had to do most of it off of swing stages. A couple areas you can see up towards the top in the parapet walls, we did replace a bunch of those balustrades. They were unique, they're all limestone cut, they had to be milled down on a lathe. There are some full ones up there and half ones. You can see where we did some patching and we did some stone replacement. The new stone is a lighter color than the older stone, but it will weather and should all blend in over time. One of the interesting challenges that we faced on this project was the rebuild and remake of these two walls on each end here. The old stone was deteriorated, falling apart. The backup was not very good, so what we had to do is we had to come in and completely tear it out. We had a concrete footing poured that's in between two slabs, two stone slabs that you can see, and then the stone cap put on top. All of this stone had to be radiused out off of what was existing here. It was a real complex piece of the puzzle to this whole project that I think turned out outstanding at the end.
Columbus North was one of those projects where they just took the reins off, and it was one of my first projects that I estimated by myself. And to see that project from start to finish, I get to see it from pictures where Jake gets to see it day to day, but it was just an amazing transformation of that building.
We at Buckeye Construction and Restoration take pride in the historical restoration and facade restoration projects. We are able to preserve a building that's going to be in the community for years to come and give back to the community.